But the star of this game is my pizza panini. I'm browning a pound of sweet Italian sausage. All right, so we're gonna add a half a red onion to the sausage. And the sausage has a nice rich flavor. So it's basically, the idea is all the flavors of a pizza are gonna be on this panino. And I just love panini. They're easy to eat and easy to make, and you can kind of top them with anything you want. So they always end up being a crowd pleaser for everybody. My friends love them. So we're also gonna add a little bit of red pepper, just for a little bit of sweetness and flavor. So you kind of can make this whatever you want it to be. So all your favorite flavors of pizza can go into this panino. And in Italy, panini are really any sandwich. But here in the States, panino is known for being a pressed sandwich. Usually a hot pressed sandwich, but this is gonna be like the idea of eating cold pizza. So we're gonna heat it all up, press it all together, melt all the cheese, and then we're gonna chill it and eat it at room temperature. And I think that's the fun part. So we'll add the bell peppers in. So far, it's like a sausage, pepper, and onion kind of deal. So just saute this all together, add a little salt to soften the vegetable, and let this cook down slightly. So while that cooks, I'm gonna get started on assembling my panino. So I grab my bread, and I've got these fun ciabatta little sandwiches. These make it really easy to eat these little panini. It makes it easy to press too. But the only thing I want to do with this is take out some of the inner dough so they're not so doughy and there's room for all the filling. So now, what I want to do is we're going to grab a little bit of regular old tomato sauce. Marinara works well. We're just going to add a little bit to each half of the bread, just like this. I think for a lot of people, this is gonna remind them of childhood. So then, I'm gonna grab a couple pieces of the mozzarella, and we're just gonna kind of tear it. Like fresh mozzarella. We're gonna add a little bit of the mix. Okay, and we're gonna do a little bit of Parmesan cheese right on top, because I gotta have my Parmesan cheese, and a slice of the pepperoni. And then you put the lid on and press down. We're gonna add a little bit of oil to the cast iron pan so that the bread gets a nice golden tan. We're gonna put it in the cast iron pan, and I've already started heating my cast iron pan so that we could start the panino and melt all the cheese right away. And then, to press it down, we're just gonna add one of these heavy other cast iron pans right on top of it. I love this because you can make it in advance. You gotta find things that you can make in advance that are super tasty, but you can eat at room temperature, and at times even cold. Let's take a look at our other panino over here. We gotta flip this baby over. Ooh, yeah, the cheese is already melted. Look how golden it looks. And that takes another minute or so, and then we are ready. And a slice of pepperoni. Yeah, baby. Looky there. Nice and golden brown. And then we put this one in. Press down. Then you can cut it in half. And you can see all the insides. It's gonna make it the perfect little pizza panino. What I wanna do though is let them chill, so that way it's really easy to wrap them up and take them on our picnic.
Pizza panini, yeah?
Yeah, pizza panini. So all your flavors of a pizza in a panini.
Is there pep in there?
Yeah, you can have it. Salad is already in the cup, already dressed, so you're good to go.
Giada, this is so good. I've never had it before. Pizza panini.
Okay. The idea is kind of like eating cold pizza, you know?
Yeah, but it's perfect for like football and love it.